is a script. Is your kampung like this, similar like this, your kampung? This is our place to be the center of the bonsai. Upstairs there are the bonsai and small like this. This is also grapes. So grapes is our thematical place. So everywhere we put grapes to make green, to make the kampung green.
It's too cold for a grape?
Yeah?
It's too cold for a grape?
No, I think no problem. But we have to keep it like in the greenhouse like this. We cover with the plastic like this, because grape is get easy to cannot stand with the water. The cassava leaf is used to make vegetable. Nasi padang. Use this. Nasi padang, you know nasi padang? In Indonesia, very common. Nah, this is cassava leaf. Kelor itu apa ya bahasa? Lupa.
Moringa.
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 This is moringa. This is good for our digestion, and there are many functions of healthy. This is papaya, but unfortunately that.
Nah, ini kesukaannya Marta ini. Papaya. Oh, tapi rumah matang,
Ada
Pak.
satu itu yang agak kuning. You see that? Yeah,
Rabbit ya, Pak ya?
Rabbit. Kampung, but every place has got theme. Warjo, Baklin produce tahu campur. Baklin is responsible for that business. Oma Herbal, Bu Yanti is responsible to have home industry. Oma Kelinci, there is a team to take care of this.
Okay.
And we are creating business from home. Yeah, creating business from home. Now here, Missy Maseno is the animal keeper. You can see this? Polandia. The rabbit drink from this. From this. Why use this? Apa bae Mas Kemal?
New Zealand lagi. Ano sa New Zealand.
New Zealand?
The name is New Zealand. The rabbit is New Zealand.
Imut kay Jepang. Sangkai Jepang kurang bagus sih. Ini Jepang.
Nah, ini Pak Tris. Let me introduce Pak Mr. Trisno. The head of this team. Ini New Zealand. Terus apa lagi Pak Tris?
Mana?
Yang kanan?
Yang ini Fujiloop.
Fujiloop. Jepang. Japan.
Nah, ini Australia. Ini New Zealand.
You see, it's produce the waste here, and the waste to be the organic fertilizer. And the waste of the food here, also the urine. The urine we make into PUC. PUC is water fertilizer, water that's very good. So as you can see there, if you go back there, we keep it the urine to be the organic fertilizer. Jadi kita simpan ya kan. If you have time someday you go, you may have a sate kelinci. You know sate kelinci?
No.
Sate. Marta?
No.
Sate. Oh, sate belum tahu. Sate barbecue, you know?
Yes.
Nah, you may have enjoyed the barbecue, rabbit barbecue.
Okay.
Very delicious. Because I will start from morning until 12. Now, every day Mas Benny producing tempe, selling tempe. You know tempe?
Yeah.
The waste of tempe put this, and then someone take. That's to be the meal of the cook. Tempe separate the peel and the soybean, and the waste is the peel of the soybean. Someone take this to be the meal of the goat, right? So we don't throw. And then from the goat, the waste of the goat, there's over there, used to be the fertilizer.
Great.
So like this. And also to be the food of this. This is, lele. This is ikan lele.
Catfish.
Catfish.
Ah,
Catfish.
Ah.
This is catfish.
okay.
We are trying to make a cycle in this country to support each other.
Yeah.
And then here, if you fertilizer, organic fertilizer, no less of it. Here is the fertilizer. The technique of making this is selase. Selase is the grass from everywhere, the plant, and then chop with this machine, and then just add up with something like from the waste of the rice. Sisa makanan, put cover. Keep it until berapa minggu mas nyimpennya ini biar jadi? 2 minggu? 3 minggu?
Minim 1 minggu lah bisa dipakai.
2 weeks. The smelly to be fragrant, the smell to be fragrant, and that's ready to the food of the goat. And then the cycles of the goat, we take the waste from the goat to be the first. So like making cycles.
Okay.
Then here, for that, this is the example of the
Fertilizer.
the goat, but we chop it. Just the fertilizer, not chemical. We use it, and then we sell it to everyone. Yeah.
Right.
And here also, this is the waste of the rice. You know rice, the peel of the rice. Because if we eat the rice, there is the peel. We separate, and the peel here, berambut sing masih over there, berambut. Right.
Mendil itu.
Oh, mendil.
Tentak.
And then we burn. We make it into like the burn, but now today is not production. Actually, the burn is here.